Welcome, welcome. I'm X, and we here now. So let's get started with today's video. Today I'm just going to send out some signals. Send out some signals. I actually found about 13 or 12 different trades today. I'm using today just because um, the time frames that I am trading on, which is the 3 day and the daily. Uh, the candles are about to close in a few minutes. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to it. The first one on the list is Nvidia. Nvidia. Let's look at Nvidia. Yeah, so make sure you have your trend lines up and running the correct way. Here is why I'm saying to get in. Get in. Let's go down to the daily. See that gap up? Gap up is so things about gaps. When you see a gap up and it's continuously running up, it will almost always refill the gap. So this one will be like a smaller trade. I would typically get in now before the end of the day to up here with this double or triple fair value gap right here at 130. At 130. So yes, I am expecting Nvidia to go up 15 bucks. Yep, 15 bucks. Let's see if the 6 hour shows anything better. Let me see the daily. Yeah, so if we look at the MACD, it's starting a reversal on the MACD daily. You go down to the 6 hour, the reversal has already happened. Reversal has already happened. So if I were to go down to like a 30-minute or possibly like an hour, it should be where it's looking like it might be a flag right here. Let's see real quick. Go to the 30-minute. Yes, there we are. There we are. Flag is forming. Flag is forming. Just the invisible pole right here. Boom. All right, let's go. Let's get on to the next one. Let's get on to the next one. Spy looks like a head and shoulder on the 2 day. I mean, the 2 hour. Of course, let's just make sure move out these trend lines. We still have one. We still have another day until the 3 day close. So I'm gonna put it right here for now, and then tomorrow, you should always fix your trend lines. Always fix the trend lines. Every other day or every day. Um, yes. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. What I say on the 2 hour. Let's go to the 2 hour. Where is the head and shoulder? Where is the head and shoulder? I don't see it on here anymore. Was I tripping? Was I tripping? Anywho, yeah, so just cross that out. But however, I do see a trend right here. Do see a trend right here. I like that. So, yeah, what is Wednesday? Yeah, so yesterday around noon, there was a engulfing candle right here. And of course, it starts to go up. It starts to go up. Of course, this is still a a strong trend line, and the fair value gap right here has been holding. It's only been one touch. It's only been one touch. Well, two candles. It's only touched it once. So that again tells me that a good reversal was coming. This fair value gap was from September. September of last year. Actually, September 11th, it looked like. Yep, September 11th at noon. Go figure. So go on to the 6 hour. The MACD hasn't reversed just yet, but it's definitely oversold. Most of these stocks that we're going to show today are definitely going to be oversold. Definitely going to be oversold. So this 3 day trend line is holding pretty well, holding pretty well. So yeah, I will be expecting for a good safe trade somewhere around in here, somewhere around in here. Just because it touched this area uh, back in January and in November. Yep, January it touched this area plenty of times, and the 30-day EMA is in this area as well. Remember what I said once price uh, move away from the EMAs, you should be looking for a reversal soon. And I believe this is the reversal. Let's look on a daily. Yes, yes, yes. It's definitely looking pretty good. Pretty good it's looking. It's looking. And then on a 3 day, which we still have another day, if this close as a doji, which it looks like it because this is definitely a 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern right there. And if it really does reverse right here, I will definitely be looking for right in here to the next fair value gap. Because remember, fair value gaps like to get filled. And this will be basically back to 600. So about 40 bucks. 40 bucks, $40 move. It can take up until I would say about the first week of April. First week of April. We do have some predictions for the 25th of March. This is crypto. Side note. They're saying that crypto is supposed to the banana zone is will be starting March 25th. Yeah, just keep an eye out on that one. And yeah, I believe this is it for SPY. Now let's look at Elon Musk. Elon Musk. I didn't want to put this in here, but this isn't oh I don't like that guy, I like that guy type of thing. This is all about data and money. At the end of the day, data and money and charting. So on the 3 day, there is a looks like a reversal is starting on the 3 day. Let me move this trend line down to here. It's only 3 touches, but however, a 3 touch trend line is a trend line, if that makes sense. All right, let's go down to the daily. Ah, gapped up, gapped up, gapped up. So that's good news. That's good news. So on the daily, I'll be looking to get in that trade right here, and I'll take it up to here, 308. I'll take it up here to 308 for safe bets. For safe bet, 308. Let's see if anything else is on here. Look at my notes. Tesla gap daily reversal 3 day. Yep. So yeah, that's all I see on the 3 day for Tesla. Let's look at Microsoft. Let's look at Microsoft. It's looking like a 3 day reversal with the fair value gap. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So again, let's move this over down. Make sure you got some more touches somewhere. Come on, computer. There we go. I'm going to count this one as a touch. Was close enough for a touch in my eyes. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, boom, boom. Well, I call that one 2, 6. So, and on top of that, it is above the 200-day EMA. So that's a good thing as well. That's a good thing as well. So for Microsoft, I'll be looking to get in here, and even though there's still one more day left, so let's look on the daily reversal. This is a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. So if you get in on the daily and then look at it on the 3 day, uh, let's see when the fair value gaps pull back up. Yeah, so safe bet in this area. Looks like price touched this area a lot. Uh, yeah, price is in this area a lot. So I would definitely, do an option play or whatever in here, or just a regular trade, and I would get out right here for a good trade. Uh, yeah, let's move on. Let's move on. Now on to crypto. Crypto. Of course, top dog. Top dog. We got Bitcoin. Bitcoin looking good. See, I've already put a double bottom pattern here. That's what I am expecting. This is on the 3 day. I wonder why this is up here like this. This 3 day, yeah. I don't know why this is up here like this. This is all wrong. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Okay, I know why I did that. I know why I did that. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 real touches on here. So yeah, double bottom, boom, boom, and shooting up. Let's look on the daily for Bitcoin. You can kind of see the double bottom clearer. Let's see if I can do this. 1, 2, double bottom. Yeah, so I would definitely would have gotten in here, and for a safe trade, got out at 92.5. 92.5 for a safe trade. Just because it has to go back to this fair value gap. It has to go back to it. All right, moving on. Oh, by the way, the good rule of thumb is that whatever Bitcoin does, many other crypto will follow. Many other crypto will follow. So let's look at Solana. Now I did not see a trade in Ethereum. So here's a better look at a trade. As you can see, this is the 3 day. This is a 3 day trend line right here. Um, However, it is below the 200-day EMA. So I would really keep an eye out on that. I would keep an eye out on that. Um, so yeah, let's fix this up real quick. That looks okay right there. Let's go down to the um, daily reversal. Daily reversal. Daily reversal. Look at the MACD. Remember what I told you. When it's the opposite color and it's like a pinkish pastel color, it's a good chance that a reversal was coming based on the trend lines and the fair value gaps. Fair value gaps. Okay. Now this fair value gap has been getting very close, so I would definitely keep an eye up on this one as well. What does the 6 hour looks like? Let's see. Let's see that that's a reversal pattern right there. Let's see the 2 hour. Looking like the 2 hour have a pennant or a flag. So that's good news. This is real good news. Yeah, I see that flag forming. That's the pole right here. I see the flag forming. So, um, let's see, we got 4 minutes left. So it potentially can break out on the next candle. The next 2 hours, Solana can break out to the upside to this fair value gap right here. So that's like a $5 move. So that's 131. Let's look at the 6 hour. This is 130. This is 130. So you can kind of see how it looks on the 6 hour, the 2 hour flag. So look at the EMA, the 30-day EMA. Look at that 30-day EMA. And that's at 131. You see that? Well, the green is the EMA. So it's at 131.91. Now let's go back to the 2 hour. And this fair value gap is 131.50. Very close. I will get in that trade. I will definitely get in that trade. I haven't been doing much trading just because my money is tied up in other trades. Like I said, I'm starting with small accounts and just starting off actually trading live, live, uh, profitably. I've been trading, but yeah, it's just hasn't been great. But now I've learned a lot, and I kind of how can I explain this? I kind of reset my progress report to help my mental, to help my mental. Okay, so let's move on to XRP. And we should be looking at the daily reversal with a double bottom. You can clearly see this double bottom here. Let's move the trend line down to reflect everything. And 3 touches and boom. Right above the 60-day EMA. So that's good news as well. That's good news as well. Let's go down to the daily where the actual trade uh, is at. It bounced off the 200-day EMA. It gave me an engulfing pattern. And then the double bottom. Boom, boom. Yes, double bottoms can be on a slant. Double bottoms can be on a slant. I didn't know that when I first started, so it's just something that I learned throughout the way. Throughout the way. Let's see. Let's see. That's really all I see for but it engulfed this as well. It engulfed that as well. Engulfed that as well. All right. So moving on. BNB. BNB. What does BNB have? Bouncing off that 200. Got a lot of touches right here on the 3 day. Let's change this out. Many touches. Bounce off 200-day EMA. Basically, the only candle that really touched, or the only time it really went in here, went into this fair value gap. Um, the reversal candle is more than half of the previous candle. That's a good sign. That means that a reversal was coming. Why didn't I put a new one in here? That's 4 touches. Don't mind this. Don't mind that. Uh, to the daily. To the daily. Looks like it is. Yeah, so on the daily for BNB, the reversal has started. Once again, I would shoot for this EMA 30-day EMA. However, there is a double fair value gap here. So if you were to get in this trade, I would put it here, would have a trailing stop loss, meaning have that stop loss. Let's see something real quick. Oh crap! Wrong thing to do. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. How do I delete this thing? There you go. Yes, delete alert. Uh, well, let's do a limit just because I'm not trying to do anything really. Where did you go? Where did you go? Bear with me. Bear with me. There. Okay, there it is. There it is. It still didn't go through. Let me go right here. Bring that down. Oh, finally, there it is. All right. So, so a trailing stop is basically this. Man, this computer is running slow. Guys, I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Okay. So, uh, trailing stop. Trailing stop. So, say for instance, you get in right here, and price, is where it's at now. I will move my stop loss up here. Now, when price get in this area, because of the double fair value gap, yeah, this is running extremely slow. This is running extremely slow. Yeah, so when price gets up to this double fair value gap, I would definitely move up my trailing stop loss up higher, just in case price does not break through and decides to come back down. That way, I save some money rather than losing everything. Rather than losing everything. All right, so let's look at some commodities. We have gold. Gold is looking very good. Gold is looking very good. It's looking like three white soldiers. I believe that's what the pattern is called. It's basically three bullish candles, medium to large size candles in a row, which is a bullish signal. So yeah, let's so on the 3 day, which ends in about an hour. Right now, it is engulfing the previous candle. Let's move it down to the daily. Um, just recently touched the 30-day EMA, and the MACD is showing reversal soon. What does the 6 hour look like? Uh, 6 hour just touched the 30-day EMA. So yeah, I would definitely do another trailing stop loss for this one as well, just because it's so close to this 3 day trend line, to the 3 day trend line. And as you can see down here, the move has already happened. Actually happened 10 o'clock yesterday for the MACD. If you were to draw a trend line right there, and this should be I lost my train of thought. But yeah, it broke through on the on this 6 hour chart right there. Broke it right there, so that's good. That's good. So let's move on. Let's look at silver. Now, I believe silver already has the three white soldiers. Yes, yes, yes. Silver will be a great trade to get in. It's bullish in the MACD. It's bullish on the chart, um, and it's still bullish, getting close. Well, basically touching the 3 day uh, trend line. Yep, yep, yeah. That looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Yeah. It's on its way out of this fair value gap. It's on its way out. It's on its way out. All right, let's look at oil. Let's look at oil. Now my data is delayed. Um, in order to get the real time data for some of these commodities, and I believe it's forex as well. No, I think it's just all commodities. You have to pay an extra fee. You have to pay an extra fee for the real time data. I came across that. TradingView just had a competition, and I learned very quickly competitions are not for swing traders. At least not a month competition. Because yeah, the first day I seen people pocket like $3 million, like the first day, which was crazy. Which was crazy. But yeah, so the daily trend line looks better. The daily trend line. So just draw your trend line like so. That's a good trend line. That's a good trend line. And look what we have here. The MACD, bullish, bullish on a 3 day trend line. It holds value. And it's not, commodities. are not as uh, volatile as crypto. Crypto is the most volatile of in the stock market. And you see, prime example on why I chose the 500 what do you call it? The style. Because if I did not, excuse me, how would I know it's a fair value gap right here? How would I know? I mean, I would have to come out this far just to see, and then basically draw my own little box just to see that it was a fair value gap here. And this is why I say you don't have to have the fair value gap indicator. It just helps because you don't have to draw and delete the drawings all the time. So yeah, this is why I chose the 500 because I don't have to move out so far. I can see it right there. I can see it right there. All right, all right. Copper, copper. It's basically the same. It's basically the same. Uh, I believe yes, I made this a while back. I did it again. I don't know why I did it again, but how did I do it? Yeah, it was something like this. That's the double bottom. Double bottom. I saw it forming the other day, a couple of days ago, I guess, and I said, you know what? I see this happening. So on the 3 day, we have it engulfing right here. Made us push up. It just broke through the this trend line right here on the 3 day. So you know that's good. That's good. The MACD actually turned dark green. That's good as well. And price is over all three EMAs. That's very bullish. That is very, very bullish. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, what, three? I don't want to count that. It's about 6 touches, about 6 touches. Again, another engulfing right here, another engulfing, so that's still bullish. Yeah, so I would get in right here off this fair value gap to go to this 3 day trend line right here. That's about a 30-cent move. Yeah, that's about a 30-cent move, but with leverage, you know, it changes. It changes depending on what leverage you are using. So, yeah, so that was about 12 or so signals I gave out today. I hope you guys liked the video. I believe I'm getting a little better. I'm starting to easier for me to talk, should I say, while I was just messing up. But yeah, so please like, share, and subscribe. Um, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Excellent. Peace.